To start, open an empty project. The only thing I have for now is an image that is half black and half white. Create a default Unity cube and rename it ground. Resize it to your preferred size, and then create a material for this ground. After adjusting the color, create a sphere and name it ball. To easily set a material to the sphere, drag the texture onto it, and Unity will automatically create a folder called material and a material with that texture. Next, add a collider and rigid body to the ball if they don't already exist. A rigid body component allows a game object to react to real-time physics. Create a C# script and add public variables for player speed. Then, create private references to the rigid body component on the player. At the start of the game, assign the rigid body component to the private RB variable. Each physics step should be in the fixed update. So set some local float variables equal to the value of the horizontal and vertical inputs. You can assign these inputs in the project settings under Input Manager. For now, we'll use the old Unity input system. Create a vector3 variable and assign x and z to feature our horizontal and vertical float variables. Add a physical force to our player rigid body using our movement vector3 above. Multiply it by speed and time.fixedDeltaTime. Save the script and switch back to Unity. Attach the script and set a value for speed. You can also drag your camera to the sphere to move with it or use a simple camera controller script and attach it to your camera.